It's not terrible. It's fucking brilliant.
Oh, I need to shut my...
Oi, what a goal!
Différent. Robertson pour frapper.
If I was, fuck off! Literally go fuck yourself. Absolutely cretin shithouse. Vardiel. What did I say in the preview about bloody Vardiel? Jammy bastard. He should be sponsored like by fucking Jam. Absolute jammy twat. Cross comes in, deflects right onto his fucking head. There's nothing good about that. It's just...
Yes, go! Go! Golazo! 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 Cavadio hits the bullseye, man! Boom! What a shit corner that was as well. Can you believe how dead that was?
He's been injured and stuff. Oh, for fuck's sake, he's just got a bastard assist, hasn't he? He's a lucky Stormy Pond bastard! It's taken a fucking piss ball deflection, mate! Kevin De Bruyne's fucking cross in the box there, it's deflected over the back, fucking Jocko Vardy on there for 3 fucking header, mate! What a load of old stinking fucking...
More to his game, though, if that makes sense.
Yeah! Get in there! Guardiola! Oi! Oi! Guardiola! Get in there! 1-0!
How did that ball end up there? Did it take a massive deflection?
Deflection, mate,
Big
yeah.
deflection, man. Massive deflection. Now Man City's level with Arsenal. God, man.
I need to see that again. I don't know what. It's taking a deflection.
Why, what happened? It's a massive deflection.
Great.
난 내 말이 맞.
Cross comes in, Guardiola on the ball and Guardiola scored! Manchester City in the lead, mere bhai sahab! Just like that, out of nowhere, Manchester has been painted all but blue. Guardiola again. Continues the goal scoring form and Haaland क्या यहाँ पे कह रहा है भाई Guardiola से? बेटी तूने मेरा गोल छीन लिया.
Oh, them two are killing me right now, bro. Rasmus. It looks like Rasmus is man marking Erling. Oh, for come on, man. What kind of shit defending is that, bro? What kind of shit defending is that, bro? Why can't we defend set pieces, bro?
पूरे किए कराए पे भाई ये टीम कितनी चूतिया है यार मतलब इन पे सेट पीस डिफेंड ही नहीं होते यार कसम से
Okay.
Oh, goal!
Guardiola,
Rakshit has scored. Rakshit has
scored a looping ball in the box, deflected, fell kindly to Rakshit Chopra, and he finishes it beautifully. Brilliant goal by Fantasy Scout 11.
Whoa! Fuck's sake. Even the header for Forest, he's not there. He's
set pieces.
Yeah.
We get done by them.
Goal
done by them.
to concede.
Yeah.
It's so shit.
We get done by them.
It's so shit. There's been nothing in the
We
game.
got no set piece where we can't deal with the set pieces.
Criminal behaviour, man.
We struggle
You
with
guys,
that.
you just undo your hard work.
Why are we doing?
Oh, 1-0! It's not terrible. It's fucking brilliant. It was a short corner that it looked like we got it wrong. But United, shite at defending corners. Whipped in by Kevin De Bruyne. A floaty cross to the back post. Gvardiol is waiting at the back post and he nods it into the far corner. 1-0 City. 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 Have that, you rag bastards. Have that, you rag bastards. Come on, City.
Bruyne. Oh, Manchester City score. Here we go. You cannot rely on Manchester United. You simply cannot rely on Manchester United because Manchester City just score. Yay, Man City. Well done. Well done, Man United, you bunch of scumbags. Well done. Well done.
Kevin De Bruyne. Oh, free header, Manchester City score! Vardiol! That guy is a beast when it comes to scoring goals, you know. I've never seen a defender who scores as much as Vardiol. Kevin De Bruyne's cross, massive deflection. And Vardiol, he's got about a yard or two of space, heads it into the corner. Anana doesn't move.
Aren't they? Look at the state of this. Oi, 1-0. Have that, you mugs. Vardiol, 1-0. Hold that, United. Hold that. That was lucky as well. Where was Harry Maguire's big moonhead?
You lot love snacking. Come on, clear it out. Oh, no. 1-0. Set piece again. Fuck this team, man. Fuck this team, bro. Set piece again. What was what we do? Seriously, man. Set piece again, bro. To be honest with you, that came. It's a joke, man. You lot not fucking focused, man. And I think it was second ball. Broski, that is a joke, man. Second piece again, bro.
ကောင်းတိုက်ထားသေးတယ်ငါလုံးမပဲဟိုကောင်ရက်ကြည့်နေတာဘသူတို့ယိုစကိုကဘာရီရောကောင်းတိုက်သွားပြီဟိုကောင်ရက်ကြည့်နေတာဘသူတို့လို့ခေါင်းခုံတိုက်ပါဆိုမှအဲ့ကောင်ပဲတီးလာမန်ချက်စတာစီးတီးဂိုးလိုပြီဆိုအဲ့နောက်တန်းကောင်အဲ့ကောင်မင်းကဘာရီရောကောင်းတိုက်သွားတာငါလုံးမကြက်တီကိုမရှိဘူး
That is not legal, blood. That is not legal. De Bruyne. Oh, fuck off, man. Vardiol. 1-0 City, blood. Our worst outcome could be happening. It could be City level on points of us, bro. Yeah.
People want to sub Bruno off. Oh, God. This game. This bloody game, eh? Absolutely fantastic. Right, the bottom line is, we deserve it. You know what? I was never worried. What did I say at the start of the second half?
Just decline. Here goes Bruno! Yes! 1-1. There. Oh, look at him! Look at him! Look at him! He said what? He said what? Look, he's violating them. He's violating them.
Do that hop, skip and jump. He scored. Goes to the goalkeeper's left. Does the Trent celebration. I'm not going to lie, right? I don't like Bruno Fernandes. I think he's a little rat face. But that celebration is a
point in this match. Khatam karo bhai ye. Bruno by goal. Bruno Fernandes.
Come on! Bruno! Steps up in Fernandes! Yes! Come on, Bruno! Fucking get in there! Let's fucking go! Oh my god, I hope you didn't hear that. I just farted. Farts of joy!
Ahmad! Ahmad!
Yes!
Get in! Get in! Ahmad, 2-1! Have that! Have that! 2-1 to Manchester United at the Etihad!
Ball over the top. Ahmad! It could be in, Ahmad! He's won it! Manchester United have won it! Ahmad with an unbelievable goal! Oh my word, what a finish! Long ball over the top. He gets it in front.
Ahmad for one goal! Yes! 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 Come on! He's done it! It's 2-1 to United! We've stolen the game! We've stolen the game! We've stolen it!
Win. Oh my god. Ahmad! 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 Oh my days! Oh my days, flawless! Oh my days, flawless! Oh my days, flawless! Oh my days! Flawless!
भाई चांस यहाँ पे बनते हुए डिएगो डालो भाई मौका था and भाई Amad Diallo has scored. Amad Diallo has turned things around at the Etihad. Amad Diallo, what the hell is going on? Manchester City down in the ruins. Manchester City burned in the last 2 minutes. A penalty to give away cheaply.
Oi, what a goal!